Hello and welcome to another update video about XLM. On the XLM chart, we are tracking a potential C wave here to the upside of the June lows. Okay, June low here, that was around 7.5 cents. We're looking at if we can get a 5-wave move to the upside in a C wave that would be embedded in a larger wave 2 correction in an ABC structure, ABC, and then it could lead to new lows afterwards. But one more high is at least likely, as long as we're holding the 13.5 cent level. Not super confident in this wave count because it is against the higher level trend. Explained that in the last video. However, if we get that 5th wave here to the upside of the C wave, we can give it a chance to move higher, and I will still track bullish support for another higher low and another higher high in a wave 4 and 5, which could then help towards a more long-term bullish outlook for XLM, but it would need to prove itself to hold a higher low in a wave 4 and another higher high. So that would be the very bullish path, and after that 5th wave, it would give us a 3-wave pullback in an ABC structure in a wave 2. Yeah, then we would have this as a wave 1 and the pullback in a wave 2. But first of all, for that more bullish interpretation, we need a 4th wave and a 5th wave that can form a large wave 1. Then we track pullback in a wave 2, and then we could get a 3rd wave rally to maybe even new highs. But until we are there, I want to keep expectations realistic here, and I think it's worth doing that. But still, we can focus on higher as long as the micro support levels are holding. So I'm not saying I'm necessarily bearish here because the short-term trend is up. I just point out the risk of the long-term chart. But we are still going to track bullish scenarios, and I will highlight to you when the support breaks that will make a more bullish outcome less likely. At the moment, we're coming down lower. So the idea was already in the previous videos when we had the rally of our trend reversal area here, that this could be an A wave, that we get a pullback in a B wave. We reacted to the pullback area already here on Friday. And I said to you, look, it would be a very weak B wave. So I only marked that with a question mark. Primarily, I would look at a deeper B wave, and this seems to be playing out right now. So I take the question mark B off. Seems like we're coming down in a deeper B wave. Please note that below the 13.5 cent level, likelihood for this further move to the upside will reduce drastically. At the moment, I would still count this as a B wave. Yeah, we're not in any way in an environment where it's getting unlikely that it's still a B wave. That could lead to a C wave rally afterwards, but of course, we need to be aware that I'm not super confident about this count. I'm just tracking relevant support levels, and it can be used for trading, surely. It's just that be aware that on a chart like that, which has a, let's call it, uncertain long-term outlook, retracements can always be a bit deeper, and the trend is down, so you're working against a higher level trend here, okay? But anyway, this is still a setup as this one was, okay? So it sort of works out for now. It's going pretty much according to script. The idea would be that we had a small A wave here, a B wave, and the C wave of wave B is unfolding now. A B wave always has 3 waves. Yeah, and then we would say, look, the C wave is a 5-wave move. So this could be a wave 1. This could be a wave 2. Probably now in a 3rd wave. And then we should still get a 4 and a 5. So that's sort of how I would track it on the micro level. Go to the 1-hour chart, we might see it a little bit better. Yeah, so this could be a 1, 2, 3rd wave. Bear in mind that all of these should be corrective structures, okay? So, I mean, okay, it could also be, so A, B, C, or the A wave was sitting here, the B wave here, and this was a 1, 2, 3. Either way, in both scenarios, I would say we are in a 3rd wave. So there should at some point still be a 4th and a 5th of a C wave, of a B wave. But whatever the micro count is, what is more important is it really needs to hold that 13.45 cent level. Below that level, I would lose all confidence in this structure and wave count. But as long as 13.5 cent is holding, or 13.4, yeah, somewhere there, it's all about a sustained break. So I want to avoid, for this to work out, a sustained break, which means, look, if it breaks to 13.2 cents and it recovers straight away, of course, it still has a chance, yeah. It's not invalidation, yeah, so very important, because B waves can be very long, they can be very short. We covered that in previous videos. That's what makes A/B setups less reliable. Nevertheless, it should still adhere to the relevant Fibonacci levels. It did it here, okay? This wave 4, then we had a wave A rally, and this is now a wave B pullback. And at some point, we should get a C wave here to the upside if the 13.45 cent level is holding. Okay, that's my update about XLM. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.